How to download any YouTube music from your web browser. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download any music or the music of any particular video from YouTube using your web browser. So the first thing that we are going to do is simply launch our YouTube application and find any music. So for example, let's say I would like to download this particular music. So what I will going to do is simply click onto these three dots, and from here I will click onto this share option, and in the share I will choose this copy link. Now once I have got the link of this particular video, I will go to my Google Chrome, and in my Google Chrome I will simply type in YouTube mp3 download free, and then I will simply hit the search button. Now there are a lot of different websites that allow you this particular conversion, so you can choose any of them. So let's say I will be going with this website that is called y2mate.nu. So simply go to this website, and then from here you will need to paste in your link and click onto this convert button. You will see an initialization button, and when you see the download button, simply click onto this download button. You can see that the file has been started to download. Just wait for the file to get downloaded, and now you can see that an mp3 file has been successfully downloaded in correspondence to your YouTube video link. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.